Hello, welcome all. So, today we have something very different, new, and interesting with us. Well, any guesses? So, today we are going to learn paragraph writing. So, it's going to be very different, very new, and very interesting. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Okay, so let's start by reading a paragraph. Okay, the monsoon season is here. Rain pitter patters throughout the day. The hills are covered in mist. It is lovely to watch the raindrops become puddles. I love watching the rain hit my window. I sit by it under a cozy blanket. I get a cup of hot chocolate and my favorite book to enjoy the monsoon rains. Okay, so now this paragraph very briefly describes what happens in the monsoon season and also what the narrator is experiencing doing. Am I right? So, why do we write paragraphs? We write paragraphs to describe a single topic or idea, right? Just like we did for monsoon, right? We read the description of the monsoon season. So, paragraphs introduce the main idea or topic from which we learn what they are about. Now, for example, the topic sentence in the paragraph we just read is the monsoon is here. Okay, so therefore, at the beginning of the paragraph, we understand that it is about the monsoon. That is, the rest of the paragraph will talk about monsoon. Okay, now paragraph usually contains facts, examples, or descriptions that explain the topic sentence. And then several supporting details confirm the paragraph's description. For example, the topic sentence was the monsoon season is here. Okay. Now, several supporting details will confirm, okay, the paragraph's description of rain. For example, we had supporting detail number one. Rain pitter patters throughout the day. This was the supporting detail. Then the second supporting detail was it is lovely to watch raindrops become puddles. Okay. So supporting details support the paragraph by providing descriptions. Okay. Now, in the end, we conclude or end the paragraph by summarizing the topic sentence, but in a slightly different way. Okay, now the concluding sentence in the paragraph we just read was I get a cup of hot chocolate and my favorite book to enjoy the monsoon rains. So, this is the concluding sentence in the paragraph we read. So, this is how we end the paragraph. Okay, we add something to conclude it. So it talks about how the narrator enjoys the monsoon rain. So this is how the narrator decides to end the paragraph. Okay. Now, to summarize whatever we've learned today. Okay. So how do we write a paragraph? Okay. We organize ideas in a paragraph into three sections. The first is the topic sentence, the way you introduce your topic. Okay, you're introducing the reader. You're introducing it to the reader. Okay, then the second is the supporting details. And there can be many supporting details, and it depends on the topic as well. So as much as the topic requires, you can add those many supporting details. Then the third and the very important one is the concluding sentence. Okay, you need to conclude your paragraph, so you require a concluding sentence to do that. And the concluding sentence is slightly different from the topic sentence. All right. Now let's review whatever we've learned today. So let's read the paragraph and answer the questions. Okay. I like dolphins. They are geniuses. They live in the ocean. They can do flips and tricks in the water. They swim fast and jump high. They are grey and have a fin on their back. Dolphins are amazing. All right, now let's see what are the questions. What is the main topic of the paragraph? Write down the topic sentence. Okay. Yes, the main topic of the paragraph is dolphins. And the topic sentence would be the very first sentence, right? That introduces us to the topic, which is I like dolphins. Great job. Then write down the supporting details. Okay, let's write down the supporting details now. The supporting details of the paragraph are that the dolphins are geniuses, live in the ocean, do flips and tricks, swim fast, jump high, and are grey in color with fins. Yes, these are the supporting details, the descriptions of the paragraph. This is how we described the dolphins. Okay, so these are the supporting details. Absolutely correct. Great. Then, dolphins are amazing. Is this the concluding sentence? If so, why? All right, let's answer. Yes, this is the concluding sentence. Why? Because it summarizes the narrator's liking for dolphins. It concludes, it provides us with a conclusion. This is how the paragraph ends. Right? Great. Well, congratulations, you've learned paragraph writing. And I hope you had fun learning this topic. Now also remember to write paragraphs and practice them. Okay? Thank you all. Goodbye. See you in the next session.